Fire suppression systems are engineered to detect fires early and suppress them before they spread. Whether you're working in a server room, an electrical control cabinet, or a small equipment enclosure, this installation will show you the key steps: planning and site prep, mounting the cylinder, piping and control integration, commissioning and ongoing maintenance,